I'm playing on TikTok. I'm always playing on TikTok. Right, we're doing another parcel. We've done bird food so far this morning. We got Flutter Butters. I'll try not to drop them on my leg. We got the Flutter Butter holder. And this donut seed bird seed holder. Yes. Parcel. What's next? What's next? Can't wait to open these on my OnlyFans screen. But you're not deciding which one? That big one's heavy. Are you struggling? Don't drop it. It's breakable as well. It's glass. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. It's glass. I can't move to help you. Don't mess about with it. It's too heavy. It's fine. You just hold on to it. It's not that heavy. It's really not. I've been after one of these for years. Yes, and it's all thanks to my lovely Bill. Mr. Producer has no idea what's inside this. What do you think it is, Mr. Producer? Something I've been wanting for years. Something I've been wanting for years. Have a guess. Oh, that's something you've been wanting for years. And something you get quite frequently on OnlyFans. What? What did I, yeah. What? What was that? No, I thought you said something else. I thought you said something else. Oh, sorry. No, it's still something you wanted for years. What you're thinking. Hand that over there a minute. I don't actually know how I'm going to do this on the bed. It's quite big. Oh, it comes in a box. Can you pull the box out the way? Then that's everything. Ta-da! Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it really is pretty. Can you see what it is on that side? Or have I got it on this side, the picture? Lots and lots of bubble wrap. By Garden Wild Bird Care Decor. I think I've still got the picture on my side, haven't I? Oh my goodness. It's nice in real life from the pictures. Okay, the bubble wrap's ripping. I can't get it anymore. There we go. Alright. It's a bird bath. It's a bird bath. It's a bird bath. So it's a butterfly glass design bird bath. So what you do is put this down by your feeders and make sure my strap's right. Put this down by the feeders and put water in it, and they can have a bath in it, have a drink in it. And it's just so pretty. Look, my finches are there again. It's just so pretty. It's hand-painted glass. It says. Provides garden birds with a source of drinking and bathing water. Oh, so pretty. It's so pretty. Why will it get broke? What's going to break up? What's going to fall on it? What? Squirrel won't break this. Goes on legs and everything. It's got to be built. You want me to open it? You don't want me to open the box, do you? Oh no. polish diving. Oh, it's a squeaky kind. Alright. There's one piece. How pretty is that? Yeah, it's glass. Yeah, it's so pretty. It's gonna look so nice down my garden. It really, really is. It's gonna look so pretty. I love it. So then we have the legs that go underneath it there, look. I can't bring them out, they're stuck in with the polish. So then they just stand underneath it. Put it there. Ta-da! So yeah, that's it. And then put water in there, and then the birds can have a bath. And it's very easy to clean with it being glass as well. And not if I dig it in a little bit in the grass, it won't fall over. Yeah, if you dig me 4 little holes to stick it in. I love it. Don't you like it? £22. It's not bad for the workmanship that's got into it, is it? I don't think so, anyway. And it's something I have been after for years. It's like it finishes off. Oh, there's a crack. A crack in it there. Look. Little crack in it. No, it's alright underneath. I think it's just a crack in the black there. Oh, it's in the top part of it. It's not the actual underneath part. It's like the resin that they poured on it. I want to keep handling it. In the resin underneath, isn't it? What are you doing? You drop it, you buy me a new one. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, God. So when the rain stops, this will be going out as well. How am I getting these back in? With this horrible stuff. Take the legs out. The legs were in. Okay. Now put the legs in. You said leave the legs out. That's mean if you make me put the legs in now. No, legs are not going in. Can you imagine all the squeaks? No. Nope. Nope. So yes, when the rain stops, this will be going out. So thank you for joining me in unboxing my brand new bird bath that I've wanted for a long time. Yes, thank you, Bill. So give us a like, guys, give us a subscribe. Make sure you pop back in a couple of weeks to make sure you still subscribe, because YouTube are unsubscribing my subscribers, new and oldies. Yes, so make sure you are still subscribed. Find me on my social media. Twitter and Instagram is at Adelesexyuk. Facebook is at official Adelesexyuk. And then you have my OnlyFans. Come and support me over there, guys. We have the freebie, the $10 and the naughty one. And I'll see you later.